Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with an unboxing video from Tracy's Destash group on Facebook. And I've shopped with her one other time, and I had a lot of fun and got some really cool stuff. So I shopped with her again, and she sent me my stuff in this really cute pouch. It's like a little canvas pouch with some hearts on it, adorable. And then looks like she also included some goodies, like some extras. So she gave me what I'm guessing is like a little check. I messed up and I tore the bag. So a little check bead mix here, cute, some little drops, those are adorable, and then also some little check stars, so cute. Are they table cut? Can't tell. I think they are. Actually, they are table cut. That's pretty cool. I thought they were just pressed glass, but they're table cut. That's cool. I don't have anything like that. And then some little arrowheads that I can use wire with. Very cool. Let's see if I can get that open. Very nice. I love those. Thank you. Those are beautiful. Okay, so let's get the order open. This bag is so cute. I love it. All right, I don't remember what I ordered, so we'll see. We'll be surprised as you are. Okay. So these are some crystals, like a crystal mix, $2.25. Let me see if I can find a bead tray. Here we go. That's a big mix for $2.25, plus I spilled it everywhere. So gorgeous. Gray and rose gold. We've got a couple. So we've got two sizes of bicones, and then so this one is like more gold. Sorry, more gold. And then these are awesome. These are cool. I don't have anything these colors. These are beautiful. I love this mix. Love it. It's so glittery. I know you can see how glittery it is, but it's really, really pretty in real life too. And I got my little teeny tiny, oh, there are like 3 different sizes of bicones. So we've got this teeny tiny one, the big one, and then the mid-size. I think there are only 3 sizes, but, and then these are my favorite. I think the largest bicone, and then these are my favorite. That gray with the pink is so pretty. Very pretty. Okay, and then we have a pendant. Can't remember what this is why I don't. Past Brittany was too busy worrying about what was for sale instead of grabbing pictures of what it was. Isn't this gorgeous? Some kind of gemstone, but the setting itself is really cool. Like this could be reversible. It's very pretty. Love that. It's beautiful. It's big too. Some silver beads. These are pretty cool. You know me, I like grabbing stuff that I haven't seen before or don't have. I don't really, sometimes you do, stock up on a certain type of bead that maybe I'll use a lot, but for the most part, I like buying unique stuff. Oh, yeah, I got some leather. I want to say it was $1.50 for 2 yards. Beautiful, like mustard color, a little bit darker than mustard yellow. Beautiful. And I also got some green. I can't remember. I think this is 1.5 millimeter or 2 millimeter. I can't remember. Ooh, this is really soft. It's very smooth and supple. That's a beautiful green. Yummy. Love that. Ooh, I can add that. I don't know if you're part of my Facebook group. I posted pictures of my design, not my design board, but my bead, and I'm using quotations here, bead charcuterie board for St. Patty's Day that I'm going to use in my St. Patty's Day Blitz, which I'm going to start filming in just a little bit here. So I'll add that green leather to that. I think these were 50 cents each. They're just cute twisted hearts. You can keep them like this, or wire wrap any type of bead around the edges or through the middle. That's pretty cool. Or you can use it as bead frame, dangle something else in the middle. I don't know where I put it, but I had a heart out. Oh, Here we go. I don't know if this will fit in there. Oh, it could though. That's pretty cool. Little agate heart that I had. Okay, those are cool. Love those. $2.25 for this nice glass strand. I don't think this was check. I think it was just glass, but it's such a yummy color. It looks like that cool blue peppermint color. Very pretty. Those are really pretty. I saw somebody in my group post a really nice bracelet using teardrops. I want to use that as inspiration. Oh, more leather. Beautiful blue, dark denim blue. Love that. And then, oh, some glass beads. These were only $1.50. I wish I would have bought more. They're much larger than I thought they were, and that makes me like them even more. These are old. Aren't those great? Those beautiful. I love them. Those would look good in my St. Patty's Day stuff too. I'm going to put this right on my board. Very cool. Ooh, 2 elephants. I think these were 75 cents each. She had smaller ones too, but I just went for the larger ones. Aren't those cute? Whenever I see an elephant with its trunk up, it becomes mine. So cute. Love those. When I bought these, I was like, I don't know what the heck I'm going to use these for, but I had to buy them. They're 20 cents each. They're check glass beads. They're shoes. What the heck am I going to use that for? Who knows? Oh, and they're top drilled too. They're not just a bead. So I don't know what I'll use that for in the future, but I mean, if there's a shoe bead and it's check glass, it has to be in my collection. So cute. Those are so adorable. I love them. Oh, and then these hybrid glass flowers. They were $2.25. And they're like a chocolate and mint tulips. Love those. I actually have this shape in black that I've had for a very, very, very long time. Probably 12 or so years at least. So it's funny that they're still using those vintage shapes. Love those. I got these tiger eye. They were 50 cents each. And they're hearts. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. I am obsessed. Those are so cute. My goodness. Oh, I can hear the recycling guys here. He's coming through. 1:30 on the dot. Okay. These are glass. They were $1 for this set. So pretty. So pretty. A baby periwinkle blue. Love them. Oh, so she had 17 of these and I got all of them. The people in the group weren't, some of the people in the group weren't very happy because they were so cool. I really wanted them. And I thought, I haven't seen this before. Maybe I'll see it again, but I'm not going to pass up. That's my favorite color for beads is this mystic color, this purple, blue, green. I couldn't pass it up. These are fantastic. I love these. Table cut. Ugh, just so cool. So cool. I think they were vintage too, now that I'm thinking about it, so I probably won't see those again. Love them. We got not quite a few, but a few more things. 3 or 4. What do we got here? Oh, some ceramic stars. Oh my goodness, they're chunkier than I thought they'd be. They're 25 cents. Oh my gosh, each, I should say. And they're such chunky little puffy stars. They remind me of two different things. Lucky Charms and like Mario, not Mario Kart, but like, how they have the stars in that game. I know they're gold, but This was $4. Abalone pendant. I can't remember if it's just a cabochon. I think it is just a cabochon. Okay, but isn't that beautiful? It's an abalone like topped cabochon. I don't know if this is resin or stone, but so beautiful. I can, maybe if it's resin I can drill it, but I probably end up gluing it to something or wire wrapping it. It's beautiful. We have some more leather, and this one's brighter yellow. Beautiful. Love it. And then last but not least, I got two of these. They're vintage Swarovski crystal marquee pendants. They were $3 each. I got two of them. Got the marker on my finger. I can't tell. No, I thought it did have an AB finish on it, but it doesn't. But it's still friggin' gorgeous. Look at this. Here's the other one. Exactly the same. Great condition. Almost looks like an eye with eyelashes if you turn it that way. Isn't that beautiful? Use these as earrings, a pendant. You can use it as a sun catcher. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Love those. Thank you so much, Tracy. I had fun. I think my favorites were absolutely these. They're not cathedral beads, but they're the vintage check glass beads. These are my favorite, along with these hearts and this mix. So those were my three favorite things. I had so much fun. It was so yummy. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Let me know what you thought was your favorite thing. And stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Hi, cutie. Look at those teeth. He's so cute. Sleeping? Tea first. Hi. You closed your eyes literally the second I pressed play or pressed record. Hi, baby. Okay, good night, baby.